Welcome to Bioscope. Let's see how your body sends a message through the nervous system, step by step. Imagine you touch something hot. That heat is a stimulus. Sensors in your skin quickly detect it and generate a signal. That signal travels through a sensory neuron, like a message zipping along a wire. This electric wave, called an action potential, moves down the neuron's long arm, or axon, using tiny charged particles. When the signal reaches the end of the neuron, it can't jump to the next cell. There's a tiny gap called a synapse. So the neuron releases neurotransmitters, little chemical messengers, into the gap. On the other side, another neuron receives the signal and carries it forward. The message continues. In this case, the signal reaches the brain, where it's understood and a reaction is planned. Then, a message is sent back through a motor neuron to the muscles, telling your hand to move away. That's how your body sends and receives messages, using neurons, synapses, and lightning-fast chemical messengers. All that in just a fraction of a second. Isn't your nervous system incredible? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such amazing biology videos.